Hey, what's going on? This is Yadi Alamin. I am a clinician and a body worker in Charlotte, North Carolina, and this is the RotatoReliever 2.0, and I want to give it a big thumbs up. I'm not being paid for this. In the instructions, they basically say how to use it. So you would hold it out here, swing it 30 times, both directions, and you would hold it out here, go 30 times, both directions, right? Then you would have it 45 degrees here. And I've seen other people who are bold swing it up here. They're not afraid to get hit in the head. So I have some tweaks. In my art, which is Bagwajang, you have these coiling and wrapping motions. You really have 4 motions of the shoulder. So you'd have palm back. I'm moving from the shoulder, not from the wrist, right? Palm back, palm down, palm towards you, palm up, right? So I can do all of those ranges in any position. Like I can be straight on with you. So I've got my palm pointed towards that wall, right? I can go both directions. My palm pointed towards that wall. I like to sit in a horse stance. Takes the strain off the hips. It's like sitting while you're standing. And then I'll spin. This is me with my palm down, right? And then I have palm down going the other direction. I can turn my palm facing that way. So I went from the back wall to that wall, palm pointed out this way. So these are all rotations of the shoulder within, mini rotations within the exercise. And then I can turn my palm up, right? So palm is facing up now. And it has sort of, because it's a static position and then there's a dynamic movement, it has that great yin and yang effect. I had shoulder pain for about 2 weeks. I had trigger points all over the place. My neck hurt and it was a constant pain. Doing the swings with the RotatoReliever, the way they showed me in the book, helped. But as soon as I added my little tweaks, it was 2 days. Now it's 100% relief. I totally recommend this product. If you have any questions about oriental exercises, I have the biggest selection in English. If you have a shoulder blade or a rotator cuff injury and you want to DIY it, get the RotatoReliever 2.0. They didn't pay me. I'm just showing this to you. Enjoy. Take care.